Look at this. What a strange looking motorcycle. Let's have a closer look at what exactly this is. So the entire body is made of carbon fiber, plus it has a very large fender covering up the most of the front wheel. You have an additional, I think that's a spoiler wing, an upside down spoiler wing on a bike. Never seen it in this way. And yeah, very narrow windshield. So it's designed to be as narrow as as a bullet, to reduce as much drag as possible. You can see a logo called Voxan Motors there. The bike has one LCD screen, and that's pretty much it, nothing else. So here the rider rests himself, so that's also padded along with the seat. The rear end is of course very long, covering up the rear wheel to reduce drag, and you have no lights here, just a small emergency button here. Now who the hell is going to press that if the bike is moving at very high speeds? So let's it's a very strange place to put an emergency button. Oh, there's a sign here, let's read it. Voxan Wattman, the world's fastest electric motorcycle, 456 kilometers per hour and 283 miles per hour. My god. And Kennedy Space Center, Florida, USA. Of course, Florida, where else would they do any stupid things like this? So Voxan Motors is basically a Monaco based company. They make motorcycles, and they made this one-off prototype to break the world speed record, and they succeeded. So this is the world's fastest electric motorcycle. You can see they're showing how the rider did that. Okay, that's a different motorcycle. That's also very cool looking. And I think Voxan has also been in numerous world speed records. That's it. That's the Wattman, and this is one of them. I think they've also had their hand in making the world's fastest dildo. That's also a very unique accomplishment. So yeah, basically this bike is here on display at the Monaco Pavilion in the Expo 2020 in Dubai. Just had to show it to you. It's a very different looking thing. Now I usually make videos of cars. A few videos of bikes are also there, so have a look at my channel. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Not all my videos are in English. Just read the title carefully. You'll find, if it's in English, you'll find the word English written there. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, and have a look at my channel. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching.